Goa saw heavy showers on Tuesday. According to IMD office in Panaji, more showers will continue till 3rd of June accompanied by strong winds.
People are advised to take precautions while venturing out as weak branches of trees could fall down. Also, fishermen are advised not to venture into sea till 4th of June. Cyclone Nisarg is likely to make a landfall at Alibag in Maharashtra on Wednesday. The Met Office in Panji has recorded 5 centimeters of rainfall at Sankli. IMD scientist Rahul M said by Wednesday the total rainfall over Goa is expected to be around 12 centimeters. He said the cyclone is actually moving away from Goa coast. Cyclone Nisarg is expected to make a landfall south of Mumbai on 3rd of June.
Today, that is 2nd of June, and tomorrow 3rd of June, Goa is very likely to receive heavy to very heavy rainfall. Very heavy rainfall stands for rainfall that is exceeding 12 centimeters in a span of 24 hours. So such 2 rainy days are going to be there in Goa today as well as tomorrow. And the main reason for this rain and wind is a severe weather system, cyclonic storm Nisarga. Its name is Nisarga, and that has formed over East Central Arabian Sea, which is at a distance of approximately 270 kilometers from Goa coast. This cyclonic storm is going to further intensify, but at the same time moving away from Goa coast again. So this system will keep on moving till tomorrow afternoon, and it will have a landfall. That means at a place Alibag in Maharashtra, near around Alibag, over North Konkan, Maharashtra. And when it is having landfall, the wind speed could be even up to the speed of 100 to 120 km per hour. Today and tomorrow wind speed are going to be, they are very likely to be up to 45 to 55 kilometers per hour, gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour. Regarding this wind, it is requested that people should be taken the necessary precautions in the sense when this speed of wind is there, there are chances that weak trees or weak branches may get broken off, or like if there are weak structures, there are chances that could create danger. ये strict warning है, strict request भी है fishermen से कि अभी up to 4th June, up to the end of 3rd June वो sea में मत जाए.
Ankit Narvekar, Irshad Sheikh, Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Panji and Margao.